Hi everyone, if you're watching this video, I'm guessing it's because you're feeling a little burned out. Or maybe you know somebody who's burned out. We've all been there in that place where the energy and the fuel that we have that used to drive us forward is just, we feel like our tank is on empty. Our tank is on empty. Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm a business and executive coach, and my passion is to help leaders and teams to discover and then activate and leverage their unique genius. And all of us, sometimes we wind up feeling burned out. We lose the energy. And something that's been very helpful for me to learn how to not get burned out and to refuel comes from this book. It is a New York Times bestseller. It is Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less by Ian McEwan. This has been an amazing help for me, and I bet it will be for you too if you are struggling with that sense of burnout and not having the energy. Starting August 1st is doing a 25-day podcast series going through this book. And my goal is at the end of this, if you go through this with me and you go through the book, that you will have, that burnout will be gone. You will be energized and have some focus and more clarity and direction on what you're doing. One of the ways I help as we go through this is I have created a free PDF download of a journal that you can download. And what it really is a tool to help you get the most out of this book and the most out of the 25-day series as we move through it. And don't let the thing journal kind of scare you. Some like the word journal. It's like, whoa, I have to write for hours. No, you can probably do this in 10 minutes, but that 10 minutes will be a powerful 10 minutes. The insights you capture there will really help you move forward and just get rid of that burnout and replace it by just energy. So I'd encourage you, if you think this would be beneficial to you, to subscribe to the channel, to click the notifications so you don't miss any of the videos. And also, if you know of somebody who you know also is feeling kind of burned out, and maybe going through this book, going through this series might really encourage them, then please share this video with them. So until next time, this is Jeff with Pie of Genius. Keep leaning into your genius, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.